ESPN Fantasy app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your fantasy app not working. So let's go ahead and open up our Play Store first. Here at the search bar, type in ESPN Fantasy and check if your application is updated or not. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings application from your device. And under here, scroll below until you find the option of apps. Once done, again search for Fantasy. And then scroll below onto storage. Here, tap on Clear Data. But before clearing your application's data, also be noted it will also clear your saved history and account databases. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on Delete. Once done, come back into App Info page, and on your bottom right corner, you will see Force Stop. Tap onto it and tap on OK. Once you do so, restart your device, and that will definitely fix your app not working problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.